Okay, so what's the first thing I want to say to you here in this English 127 video? It is hello and welcome. And who am I? I am Nuala Mary Lenka, aka Nunu, your friendly teacher guide. All right, so I have two purposes in this class for you, and what are they? Number one, to provide you with a forum to publish your work and seek feedback on your work, because you will be writing creative pieces and publishing those pieces in our class and seeking feedback. And number two, to develop your skills and confidence as a creative writer. All right, so let me get out of this handy little PowerPoint and let's go into our class, creative writing. Okay, so we are here in home, and let me point out a few things to you. Everything we need about our class, every single assignment is here in modules, so you can access modules here or in this handy link I created for you here. And I'm going to go ahead and click on this link, and it will take me into the first week, the to-do list for week 1, February 4th through 10th, 2019. And I'm going to scroll down the screen a little bit so you can see that everything we're doing in the class is here, and it's all accessible to you. I'm going to ask you not to complete work ahead of time, not to post your short stories, your poetry, the different works you'll create, or to start blogging in our discussions right away, because that takes all of us together working together, okay? But definitely do go ahead and look at the assignments, understand what it is that you have to do, such as reading Arthur Miller's 1949 two-act play, Death of a Salesman, and more contemporary works that are here. Go ahead and click on those assignments and find out about them. I also want to go over to the left menu here and show you this is syllabus, which is useful for you. What do you need to know about this classroom? It's in here. And one thing I should point out right away is we do not have a textbook, anything to buy. All of our books are free online, so yay, okay? I want to look at grades here. In the left menu, grades is where I give you feedback. So I'll give you feedback in grades and also directly on the screen in our discussions where we post our works. And we have ConferZoom. My office hours are Mondays and Wednesdays, 12 to 2. And let's say you can't meet with me and you want to have a chat with me. Well, we can go into ConferZoom and I can see you and you can see me, and we can chat about your writing. Okay, and I'll be doing that starting in week 2 on Mondays and Wednesdays, and I'll make an announcement on the screen. We also have Canvas tutorials. If you are not familiar with working in Canvas, this is very handy. And of course, we have Office 365, which is pretty terrific. It has a lot of apps you can use, such as Word. All right, so I'm going to go back to home here, and I'm going to wish you well right at the very beginning, and wish me well too. Wish us well working together. And let's have a fun semester, and let's make it meaningful to us and useful. All right, so let's get started.